principal natin, who is the Vice President, Sara Duterte, magsimula na tayong kumilos. Una, hindi atin ang mainstream media. Yan ang pinakamalaking, pero wala naman di maniwala na sa kanila ngayon. Actually, if you are biased ka towards the article or the headline, you will support that headline. Eh, yung ano lang, traditionally, sanay kasi yung Pilipino na, or yung, not really the Filipinos only, but the entire world, that they look up to the mainstream media kasi yun yung historically, yun talaga yung ginagamit na source of information. But we all know na it can be manipulated, and it is now it is very well manipulated by no, I do not blame them. May iba na talagang rabid na anti-Duterte na mga tulad ng Rappler. Pero yung iba kasi talaga, wala yan. Matatakot talaga yan sa gobyerno. Kasi yung gobyerno, yung negosyo mo, lalapitan ka lang yan. Lalapitan ka lang ng BIR, ng ipapasarado ka, takutin ka. I know this because a lot of individuals in Davao, businessmen, were even afraid to come near me. Kasi pag manalaman ng administrasyon na yan, ni Bangag, ikakat off, pahihirapan, gamitin yun. The bureaucracies of government have been weaponized by this administration. So intindihin na natin yun. Intindihin na natin yun. What we can do is, we go back to the roots. We campaign for our candidate. Wala rin naman tayo, kasi hindi rin naman tayo papansinin ng mga mainstream media because, lahat, mahasang Pilipino man tayo. So we do what we do best. 2016, anong ginawa nyo? Walang campaign materials na mabibigay yung tatay ko. Anong ginawa nyo? Kayo gumawa sa sako. Then this will be 2016 all over again. Let's reclaim the country and give it back to the people.
Duterte! 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 Duterte!
I just want to mention yung binanggit yung idol ko rin si Robin Hood Padilla kanina na totoo naman yung mga oligarko na yan. They are in control.